Good evening, parents. My name is Lisa Casey. I am your student ceramics teacher. They have me for fourth block, and Ceramics 1 is such a great class. It is very busy but very fun. We do a lot of projects. The kids have already started. They've made a maker's mark to mark their work throughout the semester. We have done 3 little mini pot constructions to see how clay is put together. And right now we're working on a 6-inch vessel that has to hold water. And then we'll be starting clay rattles soon. So they have a lot going on. They do have a locker that they have been issued right outside my classroom. They're welcome. They keep their clay in there and their materials. They're welcome to bring a change of clothes if they ever feel like they need that, or anything that they need for class, they're welcome to keep there. We do a fun critique each week. We do something called Pot of the Week, where we all lay out our pieces and everybody, tells us what their favorite thing about the piece is. And we crown a Potter of the Week. So hopefully your student at some point will become Potter of the Week. And we also watch Great Pottery Throwdown on Fridays to learn lots of new techniques. There's just a lot going on in the pottery studio. Your students will have a chance to work on the potter's wheel. Some kids love it and they can continue on with that if they love it. Some kids like to try it, but then they prefer hand building, and that's fine too. So they have a lot of chances to kind of experiment and to learn a lot of basic ceramic skills this semester. And then if they want, they can continue on to Ceramics 2. And I showed them a bunch of the Ceramics 2 and 3 portfolios at the beginning of the semester, and hopefully that will motivate them to continue on with their clay building skills, because I think it's very valuable. I think they're going to learn a lot, and I think hopefully they're really going to enjoy it. If you have any questions or you need to get in touch with me for anything, my email address is lisa.casey, it's CASEY, at cobbk12.org, and you're welcome to reach me anytime with any questions. If you have any questions about their grades, people really are pretty successful in ceramics. They just have to turn in their work and complete things, and so far this group has been excellent. I have no complaints. They are all really hardworking and just a great group of kids. So I think it's going to be a great semester, and like I said, if you need me, just shoot me an email and I'll get right back to you. Thanks. Have a great night.